Step 1, go to ChatGPT. Step 2, find your voice. And step 3, mix it up and boom, you will get this.
Water takes up space in your stomach and sends signals to your brain that you are no longer hungry. Studies have shown that drinking water before meals can lead to eating fewer calories and ultimately weight loss.
So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a YouTube automation video just like that and make money from them using ChatGPT. Now, real quick, before we get started, I want to show you the proof that you can actually make thousands of dollars per month on YouTube without showing your face. As you can see right here are the results from the exact channel niche we're going to be using in this video as an example, which is the health niche. By the way, this number could be higher as it is a high CPM niche. Now, for this video, more specifically, we're going to focus on the weight loss niche, because there's actually a secret monetization method we're going to use that can make you even more money without relying on just AdSense. And this whole process is going to be free, so if you want that end result, make sure you watch the whole video and don't skip any steps, because I am going to show you all step-by-step process that you need to complete a YouTube automation video. Also, I'm going to have a giveaway contest, which I will talk about later, so stick to it. Now let's jump into the ChatGPT. So the first step we are going to go through is using ChatGPT to our advantage to create our first YouTube automation video. First, let's create a ChatGPT account. It's completely free and easy to sign up for. Simply go to chat.openai.com, then click on Sign Up and follow the steps to create your account. You'll be asked to put your email address, and you may need to provide your phone number to receive a verification code. Just like with other platforms like Google, it's a really simple process. Once you have created your account and logged in, you're ready to start using ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is actually a really advanced AI chatbot that you can think of like the smartest friend of yours who can tell anything that you will ask. So by using that, not only we will make our scripts, but also I am going to show you how to get a perfect title and thumbnail for your YouTube automation video. But before all that, we need to have some video ideas, right? We already have our niche, which is weight loss. So I can tell ChatGPT to give me the top 10 YouTube video ideas about weight loss. And as you can see, it is providing me the ideas for my YouTube videos in seconds, which is unbelievable. So these are the 10 video ideas that I got by just giving ChatGPT the instruction. Now, let's say you didn't like those ideas. What you can do now is to tell ChatGPT that you need more viral video ideas based on that niche. And it will generate more awesome video ideas for your niche. Also, as you can see, that ChatGPT is smart enough to recognize that I am talking still about weight loss. So that's how you can tell how smart this AI is. And that's how you can get hundreds of video ideas about your niche. Whatever your niche could be, it can be about finance, dating, or crypto, anything, whatever it is. Just give it the instruction that you need some viral or top 10 or engaging or new video ideas about that niche. Now, after we got our video ideas, what we can do now is that you can use those video ideas themselves as the YouTube titles for our videos, right? Because those can be some really good titles themselves, but we can do another thing, which is we can tell ChatGPT that we want to make those video ideas into YouTube video titles. Now, it is generating me some YouTube titles that didn't come out well, as they are a bit long, which is not good for a YouTube title in my opinion. So this can prove that you can't just randomly give any instructions to get the results that you are aiming for. You have to do your own fact-checking to get the perfect outcome of your questions. So here is what I am going to do now. We are going to ask ChatGPT to make our titles more engaging and short. And see, we got ourselves some really amazing YouTube titles here. Now, we will go another further step to make the titles go viral. So what we have to do now is to tell the AI that we want the titles based on the YouTube search. which is actually a great way to find our title for this kind of search-based niche. So that's how you can get the best titles for your YouTube videos. So we are done with the ideas and titles, right? Now we will have to make the script part. So I can choose any of the titles right here. For example, let's say I will make a script for the first one, the 10 simple weight loss tips. So I can just type that, make a script for number 1, and there it is. As you can see, you have now a literal YouTube script. It says, hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're going to talk about weight loss and how to make it simple. After that, we can see there are these 10 tips like drink water before meals, get enough sleep and all that tips. And then lastly, we got the outro. So you can see it is providing some really good points for my video, which to be fair saves us a lot of time and energy. Because to get all these points without using ChatGPT will be really time consuming, right? Now, let's say you don't like the intro part, okay. So what you have to do is simply tell ChatGPT that you want the intro part more engaging within 100 words. And you can right away see that it is more engaging as it started with a question to engage our viewers. So that's how you can step up in the game of how to use this AI correctly, okay? Now, the next thing we can see here is the points are not detailed enough to have our YouTube video. So we need to make sure that we will have at least a little bit of information about all the individual tips. So what I can do now is that I can write here that make tip number 1 in 200 words with an example. And see, you got yourself a detailed explanation of how drinking water will help us to weight loss. Just like you create the whole thing for tip 1, do the same for tip 2, tip 3, and so on. Okay, now I'm not going to waste your time by doing the same thing over and over because that's pretty basic and you can do that. And that's it. That's the exact step-by-step way you can get done with your script. So make sure the whole script is long enough to be 8 minutes long as you are here to earn money. So make it at least 8 minutes long to get the mid-ad rolls in your videos, okay? And now the last thing we will use ChatGPT for is to create our thumbnail. Actually, it will not directly create you a thumbnail, but what we can do instead is that we can ask it to give us a thumbnail idea about that topic. And see, it's telling me to feature an image of a person holding a glass of water. Also, it's telling me to put the bold and clear font to use. You know what? Let's make the thumbnail right now. So let's jump into canva.com to get our thumbnail done. So what you have to do here is to first get signed up or logged in. Then once you logged in, just search here for YouTube thumbnails. And there you go. You got so many templates to use. Now, to be more precise, I will search further, like the health YouTube thumbnail. Now, just select one of any which is more appealing to you and edit that template. So what I will do, I will follow the instruction of ChatGPT. And as it says to put a picture of someone who's drinking water or something like that, I'm going to find a picture of someone who's drinking water on thepexels.com. Then I will paste that into Canva. We'll edit the text and make it bold. Lastly, I will put some graphics and we are done. Now, this is not the best thumbnail, but for this kind of search-based channel, it will do the work. In the future, I will surely make a whole video of how to make a better thumbnail using AI, so subscribe. So we did the title, thumbnail, and script. Now let's make the voice. For that, we can use something called Murph.ai. So this AI will convert text into a human-like AI-generated voice. Now you have to simply log in, and after that, click on the New project. Then click Audio, and now click Start Blank. And you will be presented with this interface. Now click here and explore whatever voice is suitable for your video. Some of them are free, and some of them are pro. I will show you how to use those pro voices for free, so stay tuned. After selecting one, you have to paste your script here. I will paste a portion of the script here. I will not paste the whole script, as it will make the video longer. It's a pretty basic thing. You have to just paste the whole script here, and you will get the voice done in minutes. Now listen to the outcome.
Tip 1. Drink water before meals. Drinking water before meals can be a simple and effective way to support weight loss. When you drink a glass of water before eating, it can help you feel full and satisfied, which can lead to eating less food.
So you can see it's not like a robotic voice. It's a pretty human-like voice. So that's great. But when I am trying to download this, it is telling me to upgrade. as this voice is in Pro. Well, what you can do now is just download and open a screen recorder like OBS and start this play button to record this voice. And that's how you can get a Pro AI voice for free. Now, we will jump into how we will make the video. So for that, first go to pexels.com and grab the stock videos, because it's free and great. Look up your script, and based on that, search the stock footage. So for example, let's say for this sentence right here, I will download something like a glass of water. People may be eating, or someone on a diet. So just like that, grab the videos based on the sentences. Once you are done with your video files, now it's time for you to edit your video. Just go to Canva again and click here in the Create a Blank Video, and you will prompt up with this interface. After that, click on the Upload button and upload all your downloaded video and audio files right there. Also, if you need to have a piece of background music, then just go to mixkit.com and download any of those audio files based on your video. Now, after you uploaded all your video and audio files, you have to edit all of these simply by putting them together. So what you have to do now is to first click on the audio files to have it in our edit section. One is the voice generation file, and the other one is the background music. After that, you have to just put your video files above it. So based on the script, one by one, put all the videos by syncing with your generated voice. Now, use some inbuilt transitions and effects of Canva by clicking here to make the video more engaging. Pretty much, this is the process you have to do for all the clips. So here you have your result. Let's listen to it.
Drinking water before meals can be a simple and effective way to support weight loss. When you drink a glass of water before eating, it can help you feel full and satisfied, which can lead to eating less food. This is because the water takes up space in your stomach and sends signals to your brain that you are no longer hungry. Studies have shown that drinking water before meals can lead to eating fewer calories and ultimately weight loss.
So basically, 1 hour of work can get you a full YouTube video just like that. Now, there is a further step you can go through if you want, which is to monetize your YouTube automation video using affiliate links rather than only relying on your YouTube AdSense. But before that, I have an announcement that I have to share with you. So basically, I am having a giveaway contest where a random winner will get the Ultimate Success PDF bundle for the YouTube automation journey. To get into that contest, you have to like, subscribe, and comment on any question you have or any suggestions you need about YouTube automation or YouTube growth. So get into the contest to make sure you will get these valuable PDFs, and I will announce the winner in the next video. So to get this monetization link, you have to go to this free website called clickbank.com. Just hit start here and create an account which is completely free. Now, after you logged in, if you just go to the affiliate marketplace right here, you will see this new page, and then just literally click on this health and fitness section. It's going to be the first product that we will select. So you see Alpalian right here. It's got a high gravity score, which means people are having success selling this as an affiliate. And how it works is that you put this link in your description, and every time someone clicks that link and purchases it, you can make up to $139 per sale. Okay, so all you have to do now is to go right here and hit promote, and then you see we have to put your nickname right there, which you will get once you signed up for ClickBank. Put that nickname. You don't have to add the tracking ID or anything. Now just hit create hop link, and then you get this long affiliate link. There's just one more step for this. So you want to copy this and then go to another free website called bit.ly.com, okay? And if you scroll down, you can just paste in that long link and then just hit shorten the link to get this long, ugly link and this nice short link. And that's the link you're going to want to put into your YouTube video description. And this is how you can make more money, which will help you to live the life you want in the near future. Also, don't forget to get into the giveaway contest. Now, if you are interested to know which are the top 5 niches right now to start your YouTube automation journey, then you have to click the video on the screen right now. And that's all I got. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.